What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Focus remote key fob. This Ford Focus key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So if I take my screwdriver and grab my key fob, and we look on the side of the key fob, we see there's this notch right here, this cutout, and there's another one just like it on this side. Pick one of those notches, and then I'm going to take my screwdriver and stick it in the crack of the case right here in that notch. So put it right in the center of that crack, and then I'm going to push my screwdriver in. Once I have that pushed in as far as it will go, then I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. And then go ahead and pull that the rest of the way apart. And as you pull that apart, try to pull as straight apart like this as you can, as opposed to kind of prying off to the side, just because we have this tab right here. So once we get that apart, we see our battery right here. And I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, this side that's over here by this metal clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we can put the two halves back together. And I'm going to line up that tab I talked about in that round hole right there. So get that tab started. Then we can snap the fob back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.